A lot on the fridge is pretty easy. What I have to do is find the cover. Usually they are screwed in, so the hardest part is getting your screw located. So I'm going to undo it. Now this cover should just pull straight off. It's pretty tight. I mean, it's a bit of a hard single-handed, but okay, I'm going to make sure the screw's out. So yeah, it was just the screw holding it a little bit. So now you just unscrew the bulb, put your new one back in. So it's really old one-handed. That's what the problem is. Look, the screws are sticking in. We've got loads of plastic around it. Set that. Stick that back in place. Best to put the screw on your screwdriver. And then tighten it up tight. Right, that's it. Bit hard one-handed, but be a lot easier for you with two hands.